Hi guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be me showing you my version of the perfect brows. Start off, I'm using the Benefit Browvo Conditioning Primer, and this will really just help to prep the brow as well as comb the brow hairs. I'm using one of my favorite brow pencil, which is the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this type is super essential because it really just outlines the shape of the brow so that you know where to fill in later on. To fill in the entire brow, I love using the Brow Cream Gel Brow Color that also comes with a brush, which makes it super convenient. And I love using this because I feel that this product gives a lot of control to the brow because it is not too overly creamy. And I also love the size of this brush because I can easily turn it vertically and really fill in the front of my brows. Next, I'll be using the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus, the Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and this will overall make the brow much more fuller and thicker as it makes each individual of the brow hair more prominent. To add more definition to the brows, I'm using the 3D BROWtones in the shade Copper, and this will just overall highlight the brow, and when the light really hits the brow, it will just sparkle a little. After highlighting the actual brow, now I'm gonna highlight the brow bone to really lift up the entire brow. So I'm using Benefit's latest product, which is the Brow Contour Pro, and I'm using the highlighter shade to just carve out the brow as well as to highlight the brow bone, and then I'm using the brow blender to just blend everything out. And because I like my brow bone area to have a little sheen when highlighted, so I'm taking the Highbrow Glow pencil and I'm drawing an upside down triangle, and I'm just using the brow blender to blend everything out. And there you have it, my version of perfect brows. I do believe that this brow, no matter what occasion, you can definitely wear this even without full face of makeup, and it looks more stunning with eye makeup and full face of glam makeup. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to read the description box because there's a surprise giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!